Friends, I welcome all of you in Basic Vedic Mathematics course. Right? So today, what you are going to do, before that, what you have done earlier. Earlier you have done how to use bar numbers in practical operations. Using bar numbers in practical operations that you have seen last time. And today we are going to do since you have already accomplished many lessons in between, I want you to have some revision. So, before that revision, I want to have one MathMagic session where you will find interesting facts about mathematics. Let us do that first today. And then our course will be completed, and our last practice session will be, I will do that. The last practice session or revision session will be done after this. Right? So, let us start with some interesting facts about mathematics, certain operations, certain magics about mathematics. Well, the first interesting fact is number one. I want you to think of a number. Think of any number. Suppose it is x or any number. I do not know about that. You just know it, remember it. Now double the number. Make it twice of x. Then add 10 with it. So find a number, make it double, add 10 to it, and then divide it by 2. Right? Divide it by 2, and now whatever number you have remembered, whatever number you thought about, subtract that number from this number, and I'll tell you what is that number is. I once again repeat, think of any number, double the number, make a double of it, right? Then add 10 to that number. Whatever is the result, add 10 to it. Now divide it. Whatever is the result, you divide it by 2. Divide it by 2, and now the original number that you thought of, subtract that number from this number. Now whatever number will come, I will tell you. If you are ready now, I will tell you the number. The number is nothing but 5. You can check it. You have whatever number result you have got, that is 5. I think you have seen it. It's very interesting. Now I will tell you how this happens, why this happens, right? Now these are some kind of tricks which you can even prepare yourself, make yourself, and you will find out the result. Why does it happen so, right? You should know about it, why this happens. Now think of a number, say let it be x. Think of any number that let it be x. And let that x be, say 8. Well, now I told you, double that number. Double that number, it becomes 16. Now add 10 to it. It becomes 16 plus 10, which is equal to 26. Now divide it by 2. Divide by 2. How much it becomes? 26 by 2 is 13. Now I told you, subtract the original number thought by you. Subtract 8, and it becomes 13 minus 8 is 5, and that's what I told you. The result is 5. And you can always see any number you take, double it, then add 10 to it, divide it by 2, and then subtract the original number, you'll always get 5. This is a trick. There's nothing extra special about it, but this is a trick. But you can prepare such things, and you can make people say yes, something new, something magical. But then that will help you to understand the mathematical things, the mathematical operations, mathematical process in between, right? So this was a trick. Now let us do the next one. The second interesting fact. Second one, we call it as reverse digit magic. It is reverse digit magic. Think of any two-digit number. Well, think of a two-digit number. First, you listen to me and do it yourself. Think of a two-digit number. Now, reverse it. If the number is 12, then make it 21, right? Just reverse it. And then the number which you have thought of and the reverse, find the difference of these two numbers. The number you have originally thought and the reverse of it, find out the difference of these two, and that number, what is the result, will always become multiple of 9. So do it once again. I'm telling you once again, think of a two-digit number, reverse it, find out the difference of these two numbers, whatever you get, it will always be multiple of 9. That's very interesting. Let's do it. Why this happens? Why this is happening so? I told you, think of a two-digit number. Two-digit number. I'm telling you why this happens. Let that be AB. AB actually means 10A plus B, because the place value of A is 10A, because it is in the tens place. So 10A plus B. Now reverse the number. Reverse it. When you reverse it, you get what? BA. And BA becomes 10B plus A. Okay? Now find out the difference between the two. Difference between the two, number one 10A plus B and the number two is 10B plus A. The difference is what? 10 of A minus B, 10 of A minus B and plus B minus A, plus B minus A, and which is equal to 10A minus A minus 10B plus B, and this becomes 10A minus A is 9A and 10B plus B minus 10B plus B is minus 9B, and that is equal to 9 into A minus B, 9 into A minus B. Now 9 into A minus B is, that means it's a multiple of 9. Whatever be the difference, A minus B, it is the number is the multiple of this 9. 9 into that number, right? So it will always become a two-digit number. AB is 10A plus B. Reverse of it is BA, which is 10B plus A. Now subtract from one from other. 10A into A minus B plus B minus A. This is equal to 10A minus 10B plus B. Okay, that will equal to 9A minus 9B, 9 of A, 9 common, 9 into A minus B, so it's a multiple of 9. So for example, if you take a number, if you just try to find out, you take a number, say 23, find out the difference of these two. 23 is, reverse of it is 32, and the difference is what? 9, and 9 is multiple of 9, right? So if any number that you take, say you take 24, and the reverse of it is 42, the difference is 18. 18 is multiple of 9. That's very interesting. You can always see it. So remember this thing, difference of two numbers, two-digit numbers, will always become the difference of a two-digit number, and its reverse will always become the multiple of 9. Multiple of 9. Well, let us see now the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3. Choose any number any 3 by 3 block number from a calendar. 3 by 3, 10, 11, 12, then next 3 numbers, then the next numbers in one row, second row, third row, 3 number, 3 number, 3 number. It's a 3 by 3 block. Decide any 3 by 3 block, and left hand top corner number you tell me, and I will tell you the total, all the numbers, total of all the numbers in that block. I will tell you that. Are you getting my point? What I'm saying? That suppose in a calendar, this is one number, this is one, anywhere within a calendar. This is the number, 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 this is the number. You tell me this number, what is this number? I'll tell the total of all these 9 numbers. That's very interesting. You can show this to anybody, right? Now, why this happens? That is the question. And now you are not, say for example, I cannot show you because if you tell me something, I can tell you. But I cannot just ask you right now. So, but we'll see why this happens. I'll see an example. We'll see an example how. Say for example, in a calendar it's there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's from Monday to Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Right? You choose any block. Say for example, this block. Anywhere. This 3 by 3 block. Right? You tell me the number in the leftmost, top leftmost corner, and you have said, say for example 3. I'll tell you the total of all these numbers. The total of all these numbers will become 99. Right? Suppose you choose, instead of choosing this, you have chosen this, another setup, another place. Say for example, you have taken the block from 4 this block. This block you have chosen. And here you tell me the number at the top leftmost corner, and that's equal to 4. I'll tell the total of all these numbers. Total of all these numbers. And that is equal to what? It will be 108. You can check it. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 6, 15. This is equal to 336. And this is equal to 37, 57. 108. This is 108. Right? So you take any 3 by 3 block in a calendar, tell me that leftmost corner, top leftmost corner number, I'll tell you the total of these numbers. Now, how you will tell? What is the reason why this happens so? You see, whatever be the number in this corner, the result will become 9a plus 72. Where a is the number that you have told me as the leftmost corner number is a. Then the total of all these numbers is 9a plus 72. Right? This is because if I take this number as a, this becomes a plus 1, this becomes a plus 2, this becomes a plus 7. You know, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a plus 7, a plus 8, a plus 9. This becomes a plus 14, plus 15, plus 16. When you add all these numbers, a plus 1, right? Then a plus 2, plus a plus 3, and likewise up to this, a plus 14, a plus 15, and a plus 16. This becomes 9a plus 72. So, the total of all these numbers is 9a plus 72. So if somebody says the number is A, you can calculate this 9A plus 72 mentally and you can tell the result. I hope you have followed it. Then another very interesting fact of mathematics, of any calendar. Now let us do the fourth one. The fourth question. Can you express 23 with only 2's? Just use only 2 and express this number 23. Can you do that? Think of, can you do that? I give a little pause. Just think of, do it yourself. Well, it will take some time. You can stop it, pause it, try it yourself, then you come back again and then you see it. Yes, what is the way, how we can do it. For example, 23 can be written as 2 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 3 minus 2 by 2. Is it so? Because 2 to the power 4 is 16, 2 to the power 3 is 8, minus 2 by 2 is 1. This is equal to 24 minus 1, which is equal to 23, and this is true. So 23 can be expressed with only 2's this way, right? That's very interesting. Similar question. Express 45. You can prepare your questions like this. Express 45 with only 4's. Use only 4's. And express this word 45, this number 45. You can try it yourself. That will create your original thinking, your innovation in your mind, how it can be done, right? That is a very important thing for stimulating your mathematical capabilities, right? So express 45 with only 40's. You just try it, then you come back. So give a pause. I hope by now you have done it. We can express 45 as equal to 4 cube minus 4 square minus 4 plus 4 by 4. Check it. 4 cube is 64 minus 16 minus 4 plus 4 by 4 is 1. How much is this? 64 minus, this is equal to 64 minus 16 minus 4 is 20, and this is 1. This is equal to 65 minus 20, which is equal to 45. I think you have got it. 45 can be expressed as 4 to the power 3, 4 to square minus 4 plus 4 by 4. This is 64, this is 16, this is minus 4 plus 1, 64 minus 20 plus 1, and it ultimately becomes 45. So you can always express 45 with only 4's. Right? Interesting question. You can prepare such questions yourself. It will change your mental attitude, logic, mathematical logic. Right? Number 5. There is a question. When you can add 2 to 11 to get 1. How? You have to find out, you'll add 2 to 11 and you'll get 1. Think about it. Give a pause, think about it. Change your mind, think. Make original creative thinking. Then you come back and find it out. Yes, I hope by now you have seen it. You can make 11 plus 2 is equal to 1 p.m. If you add 11 hours plus 2 hours, and you will get 1 p.m. Right? You can get 1 p.m. and that is how we can get 1 by adding 2 to 11. Well, let us have the next question. Next interesting fact. Sixth. Sixth is, what can you put between, what can you put between 3 and 7 to get a number bigger than 4, 3, lesser than 7? What can you put between 3 and 7? What? To get a number bigger than 3, lesser than 7. Think about it. Give a pause. Think, make creative thinking. That how can you get a number which is bigger than 3 and lesser than 7? It's very simple. This is 3 and this is 7. What can you put in between? Just put a decimal in between. And you'll find 3.7 becomes bigger than 3 and lesser than 7. Right? So by putting a decimal in between 3 and 7, you can get a number bigger than 3 and lesser than 7. This, these are all practice. As you practice with your muscles to make it stronger. When you do logical thinking and creative thinking in mathematics, you can develop your mathematical thinking, and that will help you to become more agile in doing mathematical calculations and think about the problems and find a solution to it. So what we have done today? We have seen our MathMagic 3, and we have done certain interesting questions to find out some inner mysteries of mathematics. Well, if you have liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and share it with others so that others can also get the benefit of learning Vedic mathematics, basic Vedic mathematics, free basic Vedic mathematics course, right? So what are we going to do next time? As I have told you, we have already finished our course, and our only one lesson is now left, where we're going to make a revision of everything that we have done in last few sessions, right? We'll make a revision to that, and that will become the end of our entire course. I hope you have enjoyed by now doing mathematical Vedic mathematics, and I look forward to you for that you should practice these things and become competent in doing Vedic mathematics, right? This particular course, whatever you have learned. And I look forward to you that you should come and join our advanced Vedic mathematics course as and when it's going to start, right? With all that, I hope I'll see you again in our next lesson of revision session and further, right? So thank you very much. Till the time I meet you, all the best. Please take care of yourself.